Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp Passkey not found error problem? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. First of all, check you are using the same device and Google account because Passkey on Android are usually saved in Google Password Manager. And then turn on skin lock because Passkey require skin lock like pin, pattern, fingerprint or face lock. So make sure your skin lock is enabled and then go to Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now find WhatsApp and then tap and hold on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Now clear cache your WhatsApp storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After completing all process, hopefully your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then backup your WhatsApp chats and then uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.